Hey guys, it's Levi Tech Frizzy here, and right next to me I have my first computer that I have ever built. So the whole reason behind this computer was, one, I wanted to build my own computer so I could have bragging rights and play games, and two, it was for my 20 time project in English. And if you don't know what a 20 time project is, that's where you devote 20% of your time to doing whatever you want. So I wanted to build my own computer, and I did. So when you're building something as difficult and just big as this, you're going to come across some difficulties. I definitely did, and my main one was time. I had about 4 months to complete this entire thing, and while that sounds like a lot, it really wasn't. In that time, I had Thanksgiving break, extracurriculars for school, family issues, and just everything in between. While I got a fully functional system, I still don't have exactly what I want in the allotted time I had. So my second difficulty was my budget. I had $400 to build a complete system that could play games, edit videos, and everything in between. While I have a complete system here and more parts coming in the mail, I went over budget by a few dollars. Some deals I just had to bite the bullet and buy it while I could because it wasn't going to be there the next day. And for the price I paid for the entire build, it's still an extremely good value that it really can't be beaten by new parts today. And so with that second difficulty out of the way, it definitely rolls me into the third, and that is the fact that I do not have a case for any of these components. As you can see, it's very Frankenstein-y, ghetto, with the motherboard and everything here, the hard drive on top of another cardboard box, and then like a power supply on the desk. Doesn't even make any sense, but I will be buying a case tomorrow, which should fix that. And my fourth and final difficulty is the fact that I can't connect this thing to internet. I do not have a long enough Ethernet cable to run to my router downstairs, and I don't have a wireless USB adapter or wireless built into the motherboard. So a few days ago I ordered a wireless adapter and it should be coming tomorrow. But at the moment I cannot connect to the internet, so I cannot utilize this computer just yet. So without further ado, let's get into the buying, opening, and building process of this machine that I call the Beast. Alright, are we ready?
We are ready. Hit the go button.
Click.
Oh, you gotta accept the terms first, though. First.
Okay, first, and
Ta-da! Thank you for more ink for me.
power supply bought. And order.
That is how you purchase a hard drive.
Okay, it should be here October 23rd, and that's the motherboard. Ah.
I see.
Is that how it's gonna work?
I see how we go right here. Let's confirm and pay.
Confirm and pay. Alright.
It's on its way.
Because of confirm. What's done is done.
It is ordered.
Alright. Thank you.
Show me the money. Right, here it goes. I'm paying.
Process.
Paid.
Yay. I'm 2 steps closer. Thank you. Alright, I want to get your payment. So we're buying a graphics card, RAM, and then wireless adapter, so I can connect to the internet. Ka-ching! Wow. Wow, that's a lot heavier than I expected. But here it is, guys. The Seagate Barracuda ES 750 gigabytes. Wow. And we've got the I/O shield, what is hopefully the Asus P8 Z77. Here it is. Wow. But here's the CryoRig H7, the cooler of choice for what I will be opening up next, my i5 3570K. There it is, an i5 3570K. I'm gonna open it up. That is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but wow. Alright guys, so here's everything I need to build a fully functional system. The only parts I will need in order to do what I want with this computer is the graphics card and then some new RAM, because right now this just isn't cutting it. So, without further ado, let's build. Something's spinning. I think the hard drive's going right now. Yeah! Guys, I did it. I freaking did it. Just gonna plug in my US. What do I call it? Sorry guys, I'm starstruck. Plugging in the Windows key right here. Alright guys, Windows is installed and that is going to do it for this video. This took a ton of time, a ton of effort, so please feel free to leave a like on the video and subscribe. Shameless plug. And I really hope I inspired anyone to build a computer or do what they want, because that's really what this 20-time project was about. So, I accomplished my goal, now it's time for you. Remember, this is Levi, your Tech Frizzy, and I'm out. Ciao.